How to log out WeChat from all devices at once. Hello friends, in this video you will learn how you can log out WeChat from all devices at once. So if you want to do so, follow me to the end of this video. Alright, the first step is to launch your WeChat application on your smartphone, and then once you've done that, you'll be brought to the chat page automatically without any stress. So once you're on this page, the next thing to do is to scroll down to the lowest part of the screen to the bottom right corner where you can see the me icon, and then after clicking on that, you'll be taken to your profiles page. Then on this page, click on settings, and then on the settings page, the next thing to do is to click on account security. All right. Then on the account securities page, you can see options like WeChat ID, you can see phone, password, voice print, emergency contact, login devices. So select login devices. After selecting that, you'll be brought to the login devices page where you can see all of the devices that have been logged in on your WeChat. So to log out of this, just click on the device, and after tapping on the device, you'll be brought to the device details page. Now the reason now after after being brought to the device details page, you'll see the option log out or remove on this page. And the reason you cannot see that for me is because this is the primary device that I'm using. So far, this is the only login device that I have, and I can't just log in by making use of this method. The major way that I'm to log in is to just go back to my settings page. All right. And then you can see the option log out, and I can just log out automatically. But if I am trying to log out for other devices, maybe I have a number of devices, maybe my desktop or other devices has been added, just go ahead and tap on it, and then on the details page you'll see the option log out or remove, sign out remotely, and then you'll be asked to confirm your action. Click on yes, and then you will be logged out of all the selected devices that you have made, just like that. So this is how you can um log out of log out WeChat from all devices at once. Thanks for watching and have a good day.